You might think you can't, but with Clip you can. We in a bathroom remodel, as you can see. Once again, pretty much have done all the walls. Okay, homeowner put the vanity back in place. You know, they started doing some skim coating on the walls a little bit. Got the floor done, got the closet done. But then they came to us and they said, we would like to take her tub out, which is what I told them they should do in the beginning. But people got to make up their own mind. And in doing that, as you can see, we had already did the first 2 rows, well, the first row, and we were about done. But I'm not complaining because we can do all things. So, get ready to get this tub out of here, rip this tub out. We're going to take all this out because we're going to redo the plumbing for them. So we're going to get a brand new tub, and we're going to do the brand new 1 handle and shower for the wife here. And she's going to be happy. We're going to be happy because there's nothing like getting more work at the job you're already at. How about that? So, next video, we'll show you how we take it out, or it'll already be out. Depends. All right. So, thank you.